Let's turn our attention to M&A, rumours and movers.
Okay, well, a deal that was announced yesterday, so caught the market slightly on the hop. Weyerhaeuser, which is ticker WY in the States, is to acquire Plum Creek, PCL, and create the world's leading forestry products group. So not perhaps a particularly sexy sector, nonetheless a big market in the US. Plum Creek shareholders are going to receive 1.6 Weyerhaeuser shares for each of their PCL shares, which is approximately a 13.8% premium to the PCL price over the last 30 days. It's not a huge premium, but then these companies are set up as REITs and fairly staid businesses. So, you know, that kind of a move in, or that kind of a premium in that kind of setup, it's actually quite promising. PCL have actually jumped 15.8% pre-market to around $46.65. Weyerhaeuser's not just incentivising PCL shareholders though through that takeover. It's going to create a 2.5 billion share buyback fund and do that soon after the deal is closed. And it's also stated that it will maintain its progressive dividend policy as another incentive to PCL shareholders. So quite a lot of sweeteners in there. Just to give people a feel for the size of the combined group, will control 13 million acres of timberland, which is a mind-bogglingly large amount of space, and have a market cap of around $23 billion. And the merger should yield synergies of around $100 million per year annually. In terms of other names in the sector, probably worth keeping an eye on this because this really does create a category killer if it goes ahead. Ryanair, which is ticker RYN, Universal Forest Products, ticker UFPI, and Deltec Timber, ticker DEL in the US. And now they really will need to consider their strategic options because they'll be, left behind if the deal goes through.
Understood.